In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DuckDuckGo email aliases. If you're new to the idea, DuckDuckGo email protection lets you create private aliases that forward to your real inbox while removing many trackers hidden in emails. It's a simple way to keep your primary address off marketing lists and reduce profiling without changing how you read your mail. Start by opening the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Make sure you're actually in the DuckDuckGo app or desktop browser so you see the right menus. If you use multiple browsers, look for the familiar duck icon so you know you're in the right place. Having the latest version installed can help the settings match what you'll see here. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon, on the right side of the screen. On desktop, this is typically in the top right corner. On mobile, it may appear near the top or bottom depending on your layout. Tap or click that icon to open the main menu. From here, choose Settings. This takes you into the controls for the browser's privacy features and customization. Inside Settings, find and select Email Protection. This is where DuckDuckGo manages aliases, tracker removal, and forwarding options. Opening Email Protection usually brings up an explanation of how the feature works and what it blocks. It's normal to see a brief overview here before you proceed. On that screen, select Get Started. This begins the email protection flow so DuckDuckGo can connect your device to your email alias safely. You'll notice the language focuses on helping you use aliases anywhere you enter an email online, which is the core benefit. You give out a private address, emails get cleaned of many trackers, and then they're forwarded on to you. If you already created a duck address before, choose I already have a duck address. This option is designed for returning users who previously set up an alias and want to use it on a new device or in a fresh install. After selecting it, you can expect on-screen prompts that acknowledge your existing setup and prepare this browser to work with it. Nothing else is required in this walkthrough. Simply choosing that option ensures you're continuing with your current alias rather than creating a new one. That's all there is to it. You open the DuckDuckGo browser, went into the menu on the right, open Settings, selected Email Protection, click to get started, and then picked I already have a duck address to continue with your existing alias. With these steps in place, you're positioned to use aliases wherever you browse, helping keep your real inbox more private and your emails cleaner.